So to everyone joining the webinar tonight, I welcome you all. Tonight, I'm going to go just through a basic introduction to cryptocurrency, helping you understand what's going on in the world, what's going on in cryptocurrency, how you can safely learn more about cryptocurrency, and if you choose to, from this presentation, get involved at the level that you are comfortable with. So this is the Dacxi Coffee Chat because that is what I primarily do. I have coffee and talk about cryptocurrency with people wherever I am. And today I had a couple of coffees and talked about cryptocurrency with a few people. My name is Andrew Squalari. I'm a digital asset strategist. I've been involved with crypto for close to 6 years now. I've been actively helping people understand cryptocurrency and get involved with the cryptocurrency industry for that entire time. I do love what I do. I'm a Dacxi customer, so I have an exchange account on the Dacxi Australian platform. And I'm a Dacxi coin hodler. Now, that's not a spelling mistake. That is what we say in cryptocurrency world. So someone that buys crypto and holds onto it long term. So I don't trade my cryptos. I buy it and hold it long term because I don't want to be in that field of worrying about my assets going up and down. I follow the trends, and the trends have been my friend for many, many years. Financial disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, banker, accountant, or work in the financial field. I'll just give you some educational advice, educational information regarding cryptocurrencies, what I've done with my portfolio, and what I believe is important for you to understand more before you get involved with cryptocurrency. I would highly, highly recommend you talk to a financial advisor and an accountant about structuring your wealth. I do expect you to make a lot of money in cryptocurrency, as I have done. And you need to make sure you are structured correctly to minimize your tax and not give any more money to the government than you really need to. If you're going to mention cryptocurrency to the advisor or your accountant, make sure they've got crypto. Otherwise, they're only going to give you an opinion. Like I said earlier tonight, there's over 10,000 cryptocurrencies, and your accountant has no idea what you're thinking of doing. And even if they did, unless they hold crypto, they can't give you accurate advice anyway. Now, we're traditionally, classic wealth has been very, very positive for the last 30 years in Australia. We've done really well with property and shares, but literally they're at the top of their cycle, and with the quantitative easing policies of the governments in the world, there's a lot of money flowing around at the moment. We know that it's not sustainable, so it's very risky getting involved with shares or property right now. And if you had money, it'd be hard to buy into property now unless you sold another property. So going into the market from another property, that's okay, that's all good, I believe. But if you're buying investment properties at the top of the market, I think that the risk is very, very high. Bank deposits are literally losing money hand over fist, not because the interest rate is down at 0.1% in Australia, it's negative around the world in a lot of countries now. Banks deposits are losing money because governments are printing so much money that the value of that money is being decreased. It's about 14% lower now. Now, everything is going up like crazy, and what you have in the bank has less buying power. That is the real bank deposits are losing money. The important thing to do is you have to ask yourself, what are you going to do differently in 2021 and beyond? Because you are going to be around for a long time. So you want to make sure that if you're trapped in this classic wealth area, what are you going to do differently? So what I did 6 years ago, and a lot of people are doing over Australia, like I said earlier, over 4 million Aussies are going to be looking at getting involved with cryptocurrency over the next 12 months. They're getting involved with crypto because of a thing called adoption boom. Back in 2017, most people woke up to what the word cryptocurrency, including regulators, including banks, including the wealthy and the rich, and financial institutions. So what's happening now, these financial institutions and the big money managers are heavily invested, and they have platforms that they can invest big money into cryptocurrency. And when I got involved back here in 2015, one Bitcoin was worth $270. Now, all these big institutional money managers, especially MicroStrategy's, BlackRock's the largest financial institution in the world, Fidelity and Grayscale, they're heavily involved with cryptocurrency. They own their own exchanges. They've pushed the price up to $43,000. And now we're seeing a lot more consumer spending providers getting involved with cryptocurrency, like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, UnionPay, WePay, Alipay. They're all heavily involved with cryptocurrency, which is allowing the retail market, the general mums and dads, to have a place where they can buy crypto easily and spend it. We don't want you buying and spending it. We want you to buy it and hold onto it long term. That's what we do and teaches you about cryptocurrency. These guys want you to buy it and then go and spend it. We don't want you spending it. We want you to use it as a wealth creation vehicle. So we now have a position where there's institutional FOMO. Like I said before, MicroStrategy is putting another nearly $500 million in a cryptocurrency. We have most of the South American countries now, because of El Salvador and what's happening in Venezuela, they're all heavily looking into adding Bitcoin onto their balance sheet and allowing Bitcoin to be a legal tendered currency in their countries. Now, if you understand a little bit about currency and assets, assets are capital gains tax applicable, currencies are not. So as time goes on, cryptocurrencies will evolve over to, in a lot of places of the world, into a currency. So they're not subject to capital gains tax. So at the moment, we are subject to capital gains tax. That's why you need to make sure you talk to a financial advisor, especially in the Western world, Australia, UK, and other countries that have got heavily regulated markets, making sure that you're structured correctly to make a lot of money. Now, like I said before, MicroStrategies have done a couple major things that you need to be aware of. Last year, they had a big event over in the western states, and they had 7,000 rich, wealthy CEOs and major corporations go to an event and learn how to structure their entry into cryptocurrency. So it was really a big event, and only on the weekend they had between 20 and 50,000 people down in Miami, all learning about cryptocurrency. So Michael Saylor is teaching people how to get involved with cryptocurrencies in a big scale, and you guys are learning on a small scale tonight for your own personal use. But these guys are playing with institutions, not just the small people like we do. And the other one is Elon Musk and other corporations. They're all moving some of their assets out of cash into cryptocurrencies, because that move is saving them 14% a year in deflation of their currency. So they're moving over because holding money in US dollars, in Australian dollars, is actually costing them in balance sheet because their buying power goes down. So institutional FOMO is hitting in right now. The fear in the marketplace is real right now. They're scaring people into selling their coins. And these guys like Elon and all the institutions are buying cryptocurrency as fast as they can at the lowest price, knowing that they can't control this market any longer than they are now. So this is a really big thing. So a lot of institutions are now moving into cryptocurrency, as well as larger corporations. Now, talking a bit about the cryptocurrency market size. So where your entry point is the crypto, like the conversation I had with someone today at a coffee shop, you know, what crypto do you own? And he gave me 3 coins that I've never, ever heard of. He has no idea what they are. He just opened up an exchange account somewhere else, clicked 3 coins, put in $1,000 and hoped for the best. I don't want anyone doing that. I really want you to get involved from a position of knowledge and not gamble. You're not gambling when you get involved with cryptocurrency if you learn about it and have a coach. You need someone to help you get rid of the 10,330 coins out of your head, because most of them are gambling. We want to make sure you get involved with some really solid coins that are going to create wealth for you long term. There's also 384 exchanges on CoinMarketCap. Which one do you use? Nearly all the exchanges that are listed here are for traders. They're specifically designed for you to buy and sell cryptocurrency on a very regular basis. So they're a little bit confusing, got lots of graphs, and I'll talk a bit about graphs. I'll show you something soon, a trading exchange, but you know, they're very confusing. You need to make sure that the exchange that you're looking at getting involved with is specifically designed for you and your risk profile, which I'll talk a bit about as well. The industry is nearly $2 trillion. That's 1 million, which is a lot of money. So we're starting to get some good growth into the cryptocurrency area. So it is growing a lot, and this is a really big industry that has probably got 10 to 15 times growth in it short term, a lot more long term. The market volume today, so is $161 billion got traded today. So when you look at the percentages, that's nearly 20% of the total market cap got traded in one day. So we're a very volatile market. You see the prices going up and down because we are very liquid and it's easy to trade cryptocurrency. And unlike the traditional stock markets, we never sleep. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. We don't worry about Santa or the Easter Bunny. Every day is a trading day in cryptocurrency. That's why this market is so active. Lots of people can trade crypto every day of the week. We'll just move over to coin market cap. So there's, like I said, 10,338 cryptocurrencies in the marketplace. Which one do you choose? So you make sure you pick blue chip cryptocurrencies or solid altcoins, alternative coins to Bitcoin. So that's what that means. So you got your Bitcoin, you got Ethereum, you've got Polkadot, you've got Litecoin, you've got Chainlink, and there's another one called Stellar. They're great coins, very, very solid business cases. The other ones are really good as well, but these are the ones that I like the most. That's why I share with you what I've got. And these coins are fantastic coins to hold as a portfolio investment into cryptocurrencies as an entry point and for a long-term investor in cryptocurrencies as well, because these coins are going to be around for a very long time. Now, like I said when I first started, I really like the Dacxi platform. The reason why I like the Dacxi platform the most is it's designed for the retail investor. Hey, that's me. I'm a retail investor. I don't trade. I want to be able to easily send money onto a platform, make sure my KYC, which is know your customer, account verifications is easy. There's videos there that help me get involved and everything else is working really well. Just get rid of a few things like that. So it's crypto made easy. So that's why I like it the most. It's very simple for me to buy, sell, and store my cryptocurrency on there. Storage is a major issue. There's a lot of people that do the wrong thing in cryptocurrencies. We're not protected like the banking industry is. So this is all open source. Money can go anywhere and people do get hacked. So you want to make sure that you have an exchange where you store your cryptocurrency has the best possible security rating designed for you. On top of that, Dacxi also has a wealth education system. So it helps you build confidence in cryptocurrency. This webinar tonight and many other types of webinars and YouTubes are designed to help you understand about cryptocurrency better so that you develop some confidence and some intuition, because your friends are going to start approaching you when you mention it about these 10,000 junk coins. You want to make sure that you have an understanding of cryptocurrency so you can either help them understand what they're talking about or say, no, thank you, I think that's junk, I'm not buying any. So you need to do that from a position of education, and Dacxi does help you learn a lot about cryptocurrency, and tonight is a little bit like that, helping you understand. The last thing they're moving towards linking up the whole world with over 100 platforms, all using their own individual coin called the Dacxi coin, and allowing the people of the world to work within a regulated financial market so that you can actually get involved with cryptocurrency safely and then grow your wealth using crowdfunding, which I'll talk about a little bit later. Now, crypto made easy is really important. So what they've done, they've put through portfolio investing. Anyone says you should diversify your portfolio, this is the way to do it. So there's a wealth builder portfolio called the blue chip bundle. You've got Litecoin, you've got Ethereum, you've got Bitcoin, and you've got some Dacxi coin. And of course, you get a customer incentive of 10% more coins, which is really nice. So you actually get 110% worth of crypto in your account when you purchase that blue chip bundle. We've also got in 2020, I'm not too sure how your bank account went, how your super went, how your savings account went, or your investment portfolio. That blue chip bundle last year in 2020 to 2021 grew 406%. I'm not too sure if you have real estate, but wouldn't you love your real estate to go 400%, or gold or silver? Nothing's gone like that traditionally, but crypto's gone great. Bitcoin's gone 300% last year, and the blue chip bundle grew 400% last year. So it's a very, very good performer. If you don't really think that crypto is for you, then you may like precious metals. So cryptocurrency is something that you can actually tokenize everything. So tokenized assets are a major part of the growth of cryptocurrency. So you can buy a wealth protection bundle called the precious metal bundle. So you get platinum, silver, and gold. And of course you get some Dacxi coin and 10% extra Dacxi coin as well. So this is actually not real metal in your pocket. It's a token in your wallet, which is your cryptocurrency exchange. But the real metal is stored in the Perth Mint and other storage places all over the world. It's real that you can actually be, you can actually transfer these tokens between each other, where traditionally if you do have precious metals, you can't send those coins to each other, but you can do it through a tokenized investment strategy called crypto. And last of all is the altcoin bundle. It's a blue ocean bundle. And this is what I talk about, those solid second tier coins, altcoins that are really good. You've got Polkadot, you've got Link, and you've got Stellar. Of course, you get 10% extra Dacxi coin with a 10% bonus. These are really solid coins. These are the framework for the growth of cryptocurrency long term. That's why they're part of that altcoin bundle. And the blue ocean bundle is something that is an alternative way for you to get involved with cryptocurrency if you want some more growth than what the wealth protection program or the wealth builder program can offer. Now, like I said, it's very easy to buy. So someone would have sent you a link. So you click on the link, that way they are your coach and they'll help you understand what's going on and guide you through the process. You click on one of the bundles, whether it's a blue chip bundle, precious metal bundle, or a blue ocean bundle. You click on the buy button. You open up an account. You do your order. So you type in how much you would like to send. Dacxi sends you the bank account details for that. For the first funding, Dacxi actually allocates the coins in your account once you're verified. So they put the coins in there. After that, you have to put money in there and buy your own coins, but that's a very, very easy process. Press the next button, create an account. So it's your email address you want associated with your account. But of course, if you want to, you can set up a company account, a super fund account, and a trust account. Now, I have all these structures because I've taken good financial advice and set up structures to minimize my tax. So I do have personal, super, trust, and super fund accounts with Dacxi. So email address is different for every one of those structures. 12-digit password, one capital, one number, or one symbol. Do that twice. Don't mindlessly just tick the read terms and conditions. Can you please just read the terms and conditions this time? Click sign up and that actually creates an account. Once you've gone through the verification process, for personal, it's within a few minutes. For company, trust, and super, it is a bit of a process. You have to provide additional identification for those structures. Go through that, and then Dacxi will allocate your coins. And like I said, if you wanted to buy more coins, you just put some cash into that account through the top up button, and you buy the coins individually. So as you can see, you got the Dacxi coin, you got silver, platinum, gold, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum. You got the Bitcoin, of course, Chainlink, Stellar, and Polkadot. Now, the good thing about these coins, within the Dacxi Australia ecosystem, I can send you any of those coins instantly and for free, and you can do the same thing back to me. That's a very unique thing for our exchange. So we can actually turn gold, which I like a lot, as a currency again. So we can send that gold between each other as a currency for free and instant on the Dacxi platform, which I love that idea. Once you've done that, you now have cryptocurrency. You've transferred your wealth out of the fiat currency system, out of the bank, into cryptocurrency, and you're going to enjoy the rewards of owning cryptocurrency. Thank you for being open to learning. I really appreciate your time, knowledge, and willingness to take action on what you learn. If you want additional information, go to Dacxi.com, see the person that introduced this video to you, your coach, and help you understand more about cryptocurrency. We have a Dacxi Global Facebook page, and we have a Dacxi Global YouTube page as well. So make sure you get into learning about cryptocurrency, and then you can get involved with crypto, not before. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.